everyone, this is Juan Sarmiento and today is Thursday, April the 1st. Okay, I'd like to get through my current positions and check them out in case they need some change. Let's go organize them alphabetically by just clicking on symbols until they take the proper shape. Let's click on Facebook, go to the risk profile, and you can see delete everything else. You can see that is at the smiley face. If it's above the smiley face, you can take profits. If it's below the smiley face, you don't do anything. Essentially, that's my rule of thumb to make things easier. Okay, now then look at the shorts. The shorts are April 23rd. You can take a look at simulated trades and then you can see April 23rd, that's 22 days from now. So those shorts are eroding at the best time one month before expiration, so we don't want to touch those, okay? And it looks great. Let's take a quick look at the chart and we say that, okay, Facebook is close to forming a double top. Perhaps it will break out. This candlestick is a shooting star and is a bearish candlestick. We'll see what happens in the next few days, but you need more than just a shooting star to make any decisions. But it's a nice thing to have at the top if you are thinking that it's coming to the top. Also, the previous high here, the price is 304 and we are right now at 297. So breaking out will be a good thing for Facebook, but this could be forming a double top, and so we'll be watching and see what happens, right? The stochastics here looks bullish, slightly bullish, okay? The implied volatility is fairly low, okay? So again, no need to do anything right now. Let's move on to Intel. Intel, I have already taken profits by selling two calls, you see, 6, 6, 10, 12 instead of 12, 12. Okay, so my deltas are slightly negative. Let's take a look at the chart. Okay, so yeah, that looks bearish to me. Bearish, bullish, bearish again. So we'll see. Let's take a look at the Analyze tab again, and we have talking about April 16th. That's 16 days from now, 15 days to be precise. No need to change anything. Next week, we could do a rollover or simply close the trade. Let's move on to low. Let's take a look at the risk graph. Let's delete all the existing simulations here. Okay, that is above the smiley face. You can see that clearly now. The stock is 130. My calls here are at 170. Okay, so April 9th, that's next week, isn't it? Okay, so we could actually do a rollover right now. And that will make my trade even more bullish. And then at that time, then we can roll it up. Okay, what is a roll up? Is a change of the outstanding calls. In this case, the 170 calls, we have outstanding meaning 4 longs, 2 shorts, that means 2 outstanding. Okay, so you subtract the shorts from the long and that gives you the outstanding calls. Let's analyze rolling and we can roll up 2 of them. Okay, so we're gonna sell the July 70 call and we're going to buy the 190, that's where we are right now, July, same expiration, July 21st, and we get $13.20 times 100, so it's $1,320. And now it becomes bearish, but once we do the roll up, at least of the call side, then it will become positive again. Okay, so let's see. If I do this, analyze rolling, and double diagonal, Not a lot. Okay, so we can, how about if we do the call separate from the put? Analyze rolling. 190. No, 170, but we just put a month away. Let's say May 7th. You get 50 cents on the call side. On the put side, analyze rolling. May 7th. On the put side, I did this wrong. April 9th is what I buy back, and May 7th what I sell, 86. Okay, we're gonna do these three trades. You can send them all as a blast, meaning everyone at the same time. Yeah, let's do that. I've never done that before. Analyze, or not very often. Analyze, no, confirm and send, and we say, wait a minute, let's say create duplicate. There it is. So here we go over here, advanced order. We're going to say blast all, so that they're all out simultaneously instead of one, then the next, and then the next. Confirm and send. No, you want to say create duplicate. Yeah, and it's in order there. You can change today trade to good until cancel, but we're not going to do that. And then the put side, create duplicate. Here, let's open the lock so that we get the current trade. Okay, confirm and send, and here are 3 different trades. They're all credits sent, and then we will adjust them as needed. As we wait for that to get over with, let's go to NUE. Okay, here we have, what do we have? We have 6 short calls, 4, 6. Okay, so we have 4 outstanding calls. That's good. So we could sell one of these, couldn't we? You see, this, you have a call. These short calls are linked to this long call. Same expiration is a calendar. There's nothing you need to do about that. But you have these 4 calls that were outstanding that at some point I did a rollover. And we have 130 delta. If you take a look at the chart, the stock has been at the very top. So we can sell one of those, couldn't we? Yeah. Analyze closing. Okay. And the April shorts, 16th, that's plenty of time. Let's just do one at a time and see how our deltas change. 72, yeah. How about doing 2 of them, and then our deltas are 1378. I like that. And let's get some money back. And it didn't fill. Let's keep an eye on that. And then there it is. The NUE filled, and so we get some cash back. We will get back to the L low still, but let's finish with the Texas Instruments. Okay, so it's above the smiley face as well. So what do? Well, we need to roll them up again. Roll them up. The April 16th, we have 2 weeks to go, but we can certainly roll up the outstanding calls. Okay, let me just show you how to do it. Analyze rolling. And how many outstanding? Well, you take the long calls, 6, minus the short calls, 3 equals 3. So you have 3 outstanding calls. And we're going to go from 175 to 195 or 192. 192 is not being traded, so 195. Okay, and change this from to May, same expiration. Cool. So we have 3 times 1300. So we get a lot of cash back from that. Okay, so the low calendar filled. That's good. Okay, let's send this off and then we'll deal with the low straight. Okay, by doing that, we are turning our delta negative. And I need to keep it delta positive. So we can do 2 instead of 3. and that gives me a positive delta of 31. Just slightly over 0 is fine. Confirm and send. And didn't wait until that fills. Let's go back to the lows, or we can go to the monitor tab, account statement, and we see the lows here. The 170 put is not filling, and the working mark is, oh, the other just got filled, the roll up, and we just need to change this, okay? And 86, let's just reduce it, cancel, replace, reduce it to 83, and I'll adjust that as we go. And wait a little, and do it again. 5 cents. And then give it a chance to work. So that's all for today. I will make sure that those 2 positions are filled. But for now, that's all I have. So thank you very much for joining me, and see you next time. Bye-bye.
Please be sure to subscribe to this channel by clicking on the subscribe button below. Once you have done that, be sure to also click on the bell so you get a notification of future videos coming up in this channel. Be sure also to click like if you enjoyed this video, and feel free to share it with your friends and family. Thank you very much.